Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Shopify payments active, a verified HTTPS domain, and access to your Apple developer account. Next, create an Apple Merchant ID in Developer. Apple.com, this identifies your store to Apple. Once done, generate a certificate signing request, CSR, on your Mac or server. This is required to request the Apple Pay certificate. Make sure you save private keys securely. These steps are essential because they link your store, domain, and merchant identity. Now you request the Apple Pay merchant identity certificate using the CSR. This proves your ownership to Apple. After Apple issues the SIR file, convert it to the required format. PEM if Shopify asks, pairing it with your saved private key. Once ready, go to Shopify Admin, Payments, Shopify Payments, Manage, and find Apple Pay. Upload the certificate and complete the domain verification flow. Make sure the certificate matches your merchant ID. Mismatches are the most common block to activation. Finish by verifying the domain in Shopify and testing Apple Pay on an iPhone or iPad using Safari. You must use a real device with a card in wallet. Once the Apple Pay button appears, run a tokenization test purchase to confirm payment tokens and webhooks work. If things fail, check SSL validity, certificate/private key pairing, correct merchant ID, and that Shopify Payments supports your region. One key troubleshooting tip: re-upload matching certificate/private key pair. Most issues stem from mismatched or expired certs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.